Hello, my name's Duncan Baker-Brown. I'm a senior lecturer at the School of Architecture and Design in the University of Brighton. And as far as research is concerned, I do a lot of work around closed-loop systems, sustainable design. Because of that, over a number of years, we've curated this Waystone.
The theme of this year's Waystone show is Circular Cities. So I've made an exhibit that presents a range of materials that would be considered waste and are abundant in the city of Brighton, and presents new ways in which they could form part of the social and cultural as well as the sort of material fabric of the city.
This year the Waystone is rather large. It's 1,000 square metres of floor space, and we've got over 55 speakers from across Europe, all considering the idea of what a circular city might be.
My name is Niklas. I'm from Copenhagen, Denmark.
My name is Miguel Reynolds. I'm from Portugal.
My name is Cressy. I'm the co-founder of Elvis & Cressy. We're based in Kent.
Our generation is the first generation that jeopardized leaving a worse legacy than what we got from our parents, which is not fair. So we need to start looking at nature and use our imagination to create environments that we will live well, enjoy life, and the others will do the same.
The Waystone has been incredible. You get to meet incredible innovators that are also working with challenging materials, and they're trying to bring them back into service, and not in a straight recycling kind of way, in a profound, decadent and sexy kind of way.
I can tell you that Brighton University are the highlight of the whole show here, because the Bauhaus was not coming out of Berlin, no, it was out of Dessau and out of Ulm and Weimar. And the same thing. It will be Brighton, it will be Nottingham. Universities who really are hungry to make a change and to make a difference.
We're here at a university because we think that the construction industry is one area where there's an awful lot of waste, and that waste can be dealt with in a more responsible way. So we're working very closely with industry to try and bring about the changes required to see the economic benefits of sustainable and responsible use of materials.
You kind of feel like you can solve all the problems of the world, just by listening to everybody at the Waystone. There's a lot of positivity, and it's been a nice place to be for 3 days, definitely.
For me, some of the highlights have been looking at materials that are grown from mushrooms and seeing how they can be used. We've got stone which is made from seashells. We've got insulation from dog hairs. These may never all become commercially viable, but they're exploring the potential of different materials, and for me that's really exciting.
Every aspect of the Waystone is important in relation to how we teach students and how we carry out research and how we carry out live projects. But of course it's, in a meta sense, absolutely critical at a global scale and a national scale.
I think there's been huge opportunities for research and enterprise. There's lots of people talking to each other. People that I would have thought knew each other didn't know each other. So it's really exciting. I mean, this one was 10 times as big as last year. I hope next year it might be even bigger again. So it's really exciting.